Yeah, buddy, guys. You know who we are. We at Cox Auto Salvage, and I am at the van section. Yeah, I'm turning my van into an A-team van, man. Yeah, what we call the Van Dam, damn it. all right, check it out, guys, man. I don't know. A lot of you guys don't even understand it, man. When you get us into a junkyard, man, we don't know what to do. What's up with this one right here? Dang, there's a door lock, man. What y'all gonna lock the door? How gonna lock the door and it's in the junkyard? What the heck? Oh my God, let's see. Oh, look at that console up there, man. Oh man, I should get that and put it in my van. I got something like it. Oh, I dig the them seats all messed up, man. What do we got back here, man? We'll climb in here and see something you ain't want to see. What's that down there? Sometimes you might find something, that's totally wasn't supposed to be here, unexpected. What's that box back there? Like nothing, like empty. I don't know. Oh man, what the heck up here? You know what I want to do one day? Get here and I want to pull out an engine, have an engine and transmission, and I want to change my van to fuel injected. Man, all right, let's see what else we got. What we got? I got to keep an eye on my tools, man. Got my tools in a wheelbarrow. Somebody gonna have me throw a tire at them. Oh, look at that! Yo, can I get to the other side of that? Let's just see that. Let's go check this out. Let's go around here. See, I got my tools right there in that wheelbarrow, man. Don't make me get medieval on. Let's see what's up with this, man. Oh yeah, it's open. See, you gotta open them doors and stand back. Look at that. What's that? What is that? What is that, guys? What is that? Oh my goodness. That looks like brand new. The VCR with the TV. AC, DC TV. This TV can work on 12 volts, man. I should put that in my van. Nah, I ain't got time for that. Cause I ain't got time for people want to ride, man. I ain't got time for rides. But I'm digging these seats. They already pulled 2 seats for me and all. So and they blue. That color wouldn't go on my inside my van. I like coming here, man. Look at it. I just can't help it, man. Guys, look at there's some more Chevy vans. No, I ain't put no ladder on the back of my van. Let's see, can we open this up, man? What's back here? Yeah. Little trick. Oh man, come on. Oh my goodness. Piss me off, man. Let's go over to this one right here. See what's up. Okay, what's that? There's a AC unit. I'm not gonna put no AC. What's this whole thing back here? Oh my goodness! Wait a minute. Oh, that's probably the. Oh, guys, wait a minute, man. Let me back up over here for a minute. Open this door up. Can't hardly see that. What is the speakers and all? I ain't got time for that mess. I ain't got time for that. Well, wait a minute. What's that over there? Look at that for people in the back, man. Man, boy, they was hooking these vans up. I'm telling you, they was hooking these up. Yeah. Guys, you gotta be careful, man. You leave here, man. You leave here broke. A lot of times I spent a bunch of money. Wait a minute, I forgot my tools, man. I just saw somebody walk by, man. Punch somebody in the face, man. Mess up my tools. I have no idea what I'm getting, guys. I'm just here, man. I'm just here looking for stuff. That's messed up. Just looking for stuff with these vans. Oh, you know what I need? I need a battery tray, because my battery tray is all rotted out. Like, for some reason, like, look at this one right here. Rotted out. But you gotta be careful because some of them are different. Wait a minute, that one looks Oh, this one looks in good condition, but I gotta take the battery. Dang, it's too... Oh man, I gotta unhook the battery, man. I ain't got time for that mess. But I gotta go. I just want to show you guys what I be doing. Look at them funky Fords. Yo, I'm gonna let you know right now. You go to a junkyard, you check out the Ford section. Now, I'm a Ford man myself. Now, you're gonna see a lot of work vans over there for Fords. Fords is known for work vans. It's as simple as that. They're known for work vans. But when you want customization, where they going? Where they going? When you want customized vans at the best, you gotta get you a Chevy. Get the Chevy, the Van Damme, damn it. Yo, look at these Chevys, man. Guys, I just want to do this quick little video, man. Guys, I told you, I wish I had time right now to just walk over here and show you I want to show you some, guys. Check it out. My van's an 81. It didn't have AC and all that. So, I came here. Where's the van at? This one. It had a pretty good stained glass. I'm gonna put on that guy in my van. This one had a pretty good dashboard. So you know what Tim did? Tim came over here. Yeah, you can see Tim went to work. Y'all saw the pictures, right? This is where I got the dash from, man. I ripped that dash out of there like you wouldn't believe, man. Woo! but what am I here for again? That's messed up. I don't even know what I'm here for again. Oh yeah, the battery tray. Well, how's this battery tray? Rusted. Man, these things rot out like crazy, man. I don't know. This is the van that yeah, I don't know. So I pulled this out yesterday because I was getting something, and the heater control valve assembly. Matter of fact, there's my tools and all. This is the van I'm gonna have them, and this is pretty clean, man. Look at this. If I didn't know no better, I'd take a picture just like this and tell you for sale. I'm gonna tell them to pull the engine and transmission, but what I'm gonna do first is, because you know, guys that work in the yard, man, they cut all wires and anything. So I'm gonna come here and disconnect everything and disconnect the harness and get the computer and all before I do that. But I want them to pull that engine out for me and transmission. I'm gonna put that in my van. I'm gonna be fuel injected, so that's gonna be cool. All right, guys, and man, guys, I wish I could make this video longer, man. This is it. What am I? Oh yeah. I gotta go find. Oh yeah, the one with the battery in it. I can get my battery tray. But I don't know. I'm going all the way around, and I'm just looking for stuff. This is the van right here. They took the seats out already for me because I couldn't come and get the seats because the van was to the ground. So what they did, they came here with a machine, and they picked it up, and you know, they got the seats out for me because I'm putting the 2 seats in the back in front of where the camera system is set up at. And they took you can see, they took the seats out for me and all, and that's up there in front. And in fact, let's get inside here. Let's get inside here, guys. Look at that seat back there, man. Look at that. I'm gonna come. Look, what's up there? Oh my goodness, man. They don't make vans like this no more. They don't make them like this no more, man. Let's just sit down. Woo! Well, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. What is that? Picture control, volume, channels, TV. Oh man. It's comfortable in here. Woo! Look at that, guys. What is this up here? What is this? That's a CB. Light switches. I dig that. Oh, wooden map lights. That one's broken. But they put wood in here, man. They put wood in these vans. I mean, you can't even get cars these days with wood in it. They got that cheap old plastic painted like wood. made to resemble wood, but it ain't. All right. So let's get back out of here. Look at that, put that door in the door, man. These guys, man. Them old customized vans was it, man. I forgot, man. Let's see what we got here, man. I don't know. That's the only thing. All right, there's no more Chevy vans down this way. So I gotta keep an eye on my tools, man. Cause if I'm telling you guys, y'all gonna see me in the news. If I see somebody pick up my tools, I'm gonna send a bullet their way. Pow! Alright, guys. I gotta look around. I gotta get me. Hey, what's up? Wait a minute, guys. What's this over here? What's this brown? What's this blue one? What's this blue one, man? This one's like an older model. Close to mine. Close, but not. It's not mine. I changed my mirrors. The power mirrors, man. What's in here? I gotta go, guys. I gotta go, man. Because I'm walking around here and leaving my tools over here. And y'all gonna get my tools stolen. I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be highly upset. The Von. That's what you gotta say it. The Von. The Von Dom. The Von Dom. Damn it. Alright, guys. Talk to y'all later. And, I don't know. Join me again when I come here and I'll be getting some parts for any other vehicle. But it's nothing like getting parts for your own vehicle, man, because it's exciting, it's fun. I could be down here for hours. You know, I'll be Sylvia's gonna watch this video. Maybe she won't. Maybe she won't. But check it out. And when you guys, this is how we play. This is how you play. This is what I do. When you're home, you're like, oh man, I gotta go down to the junkyard. I don't feel like going. That's how you say it. And then when you get down there, complete different story. You run amok. What's this? See what I mean, man? I can't help it. Just to think of the stuff I could put in my van. Oh my goodness, look at the cover, man. Oh yeah, man. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna get that. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna get that right there. 2 screws. Y'all gonna see this in my van. That's wooden. In fact, I should get the top. Get this one to match it too. Clean that up. No, heck, that was like a lot of cleaning up, man. I don't know. I'll think about it. Man. I might get that, guys. Get the trim to go around the radio. Get that. I'm gonna get that too. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna get that right now. All right, guys. Take care. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. And my little fun with at Cox Auto Salvage. You need anything, these guys ship it to you and all. Cox Auto. This is not no. I'm not doing this as no sponsoring them or anything like that. But I'm gonna let you know these guys are nice. Every guy up in the front that handles your order is nice, man. These guys go beyond the call of duty to make sure that you're a satisfied customer. These guys have been great all the years I've been dealing with them. It's fun, man. You come back here, pull your own parts. They great. I mean, the guys are just simply great. I mean, let them know you saw it. Call them up. Just call them up and say, listen, I saw your video. Ask for Tim. Not me, Tim. There's another Tim there. Ask for Tim or Jeremy, man. Just talk to them guys. Tell them you saw the video. These guys have everything, man. Let me back up right here. I mean, this I don't know how many acres is this yard, man. Let me see if I can. I mean, there's cars for miles, man. Little raggedy Ford getting my shot, man. What that? I mean, there is cars for and trucks. They have big trucks as well. Old cars. I mean, they got a lot of old cars. So guys, give them a call, man. Give them a call. You need anything? Cox Auto Salvage, Elm City. The guys are great. The guys are definitely great. All right, take it easy.